Want to know what makes the Lithia Springs High School STEM Magnet program different? You're about to find out. The Lithia Springs High School STEM Magnet program isn't just about studying science, technology, engineering, and math. It's about preparing students for the future by blending hands on activities with real world problem solving. What truly sets us apart from other programs is that the STEM program is an interdisciplinary project-based learning approach. Students are challenged to think critically, creatively, and collaborate with their peers on solving real-world problems, making their education not just about theory, but more about practical knowledge and experience. At the heart of the STEM Magnet program is problem-based learning and project-based learning. You'll see pictures of students engaging in real-world challenges that impact their community, state, or even the world. Whether it's through engineering, computer science, or biomedical science, every project follows a hands-on learning approach. One of the key tools that students use is the engineering design process. This structured approach helps them define problems, brainstorm solutions, create prototypes, and test their ideas, just like real engineers. By following this process, students learn how to think critically and solve complex problems. In these pictures, students are using the engineering design process to build a weight-bearing tower. But it's not just about the projects. Students are mentored by community partners who provide invaluable feedback and support throughout the project. These partnerships bring in industry professionals, guest speakers, and provide internship opportunities, giving students a chance to apply their real-world skills in real-world environments. The Lithia Springs High School Magnet program offers 3 pathways: engineering, computer science and cybersecurity, and biomedical science. Each pathway has 4 courses, and each pathway ends with an end-of-pathway assessment that provides students with a valid credential and specialized certification at the end of their course studies. This assessment is paid for by the Douglas County school system. Students participate in academic competitions such as the science fair and the STEM fair, where they showcase their research and skills and compete among the top STEM students across the state. In addition to their academic excellence, students also give back to the community through community service activities. Beyond the classroom, the STEM Magnet program provides students with opportunities to grow, not just as learners, but also as future leaders. Students can join many different organizations and clubs. By the time they graduate, students will have completed a 40-hour internship, gained hands-on experience, and developed critical thinking and problem-solving skills, which are needed to thrive in the 21st century workforce. Pictured are some of our students at the Georgia State University Academy of Future Teachers internship program. In this program, our students not only go on great trips, but they also teach other STEM learners different activities. Of course, the STEM Magnet program has academic expectations. We expect students to maintain a strong commitment to academic excellence, engage actively in discussions and activities, meet deadlines for projects and assignments, and strive for continuous improvement. These are some of the trips that we have taken in the past year. Students explore museums, universities, industry sites, college campuses, attending workshops, guest lectures, and conferences help students expand their knowledge and network with professionals in their fields. We also take international trips. Our upcoming international trip for spring break of 2026 is London and Paris. There will be a parent meeting this month on October 23rd. If you want to find out even more about the STEM program, there are 2 informational meetings. One will be held October 9th at 6:30 p.m. in the Lithia Springs High School Theater, and the next meeting is virtual on November 13th.